Right now, it's 7 in the morning, and I'm going to show you outside, okay? I'm just going to show you what's going on outside. See? That's what's going on. We haven't had that type of snow in Toronto since the early 2000s. Like, I was literally 5 years old the last time we had 30 centimeters of snow, wearing good pairs of snow pants and all that stuff. Like, I kind of want to call in and tell them I'm not coming to my job. I really don't want to go to work today. This is one of those days where I'm just like, yeah, I am not motivated to go to work. Deuces. I will see you in the summer.